In the previous class we talked about the types of craft. We use our hands to make different crafts. There are 3 types of craft. Embroidery. Crafts in the home. Drawing of crafts items. Examples of crafts in the home. Wall hanger. Table. Chair and many more. Today we will be discussing drawing of different craft items. Drawing of different craft items are visual art on paper using materials and tools. It is also known as drawing and painting crafts. Examples of drawing of different craft items. Beads. Local mats. Local clay pot. Woven cloth. Aqua cloth. Sake cloth and Parmala cloth. So, craft is a special skill or art or an occupation that requires a special skill or art.